25 difficult words and synonyms with A, 126 to 150. Basic to advanced English vocabulary. The word. Synonyms: 126. Abysmal. Dreadful, terrible, awful, appalling, horrible. 127. Accolade. Award, honor, praise, recognition, tribute. 128. Accost. Approach, confront, address, speak to, encounter. 129. Accrue. Accumulate, gather, collect, increase, grow. 130. Adamant. Unyielding, inflexible, resolute, determined, firm. 131. Adduce. Cite, quote. Present, offer, provide. 132. Adherent. Follower, supporter, disciple, partisan, devotee. 133. Admonish. Warn, reprimand, rebuke, scold, reproach. 134. Adroit. Skillful, dexterous, adept, proficient, competent. 135. Adulation. Flattery, praise, worship, adoration, fawning. 136. Adversary. Opponent, enemy, rival, antagonist, foe. 137. Advocate. Support, promote, champion, endorse, recommend. 138. Aesthetic. Beautiful, artistic, elegant, tasteful, refined. 139. Affable. Friendly, amiable, genial, cordial, easygoing. 140. Affectation. Pretense, artificiality, mannerism, pose, simulation. 141. Affinity. Attraction, liking, fondness, kinship, connection. 142. Affluent. Wealthy, rich, prosperous, opulent, well-off. 143. Aggravate. Worsen, exacerbate, intensify, irritate, annoy. 144. Agile. Nimble, quick, dexterous, graceful, lithe. 145. Agitate. Disturb, upset, provoke, excite, stir up. 146. Alacrity. Eagerness, enthusiasm, readiness, willingness, promptness. 147. Alienate. Estrange, disaffect, separate, divide, turn away. 148. Alleviate. Relieve, lessen, ease, mitigate, reduce. 149. Allocate. Assign, distribute, allot, apportion, designate. 150. Allude. Refer, mention, imply, suggest, hint.